All right, here we go. Today we'll be talking about direct variation. Okay, at the end of this lesson, you would need to be able to explain how you can identify direct variation in a form of table, graph, and equation, and how to solve problems involving direct variation. All right, let's go to the vocab. All right, direct variation. Here we go, direct variation. A linear relationship between two variables, x and y, that can be written in the form of y equals kx. Okay, remember, direct variation is the form of y equals kx. Okay, y directly varies directly as x means that y equals kx, where k is the constant of variation. K is your constant, k is your slope, k is your m, k is your unit rate, k is your rate of change. Okay, make sure you remember all of things. All right, since a direct variation is y equals kx, this is similar to y equals mx plus b, which is slope intercept form. Okay, all right, where where m equals k, okay, m equals slope, and b equals 0, or b equals y-intercept, okay. And you even have two equations over here, right in this area right here. Y equals mx plus b, or m is your slope, and b is your y-intercept. Y equals kx, where k is your m. They're all the same thing, and k is your slope as well. All right, here we go. So the constant of variation in a direct variation is also known as the slope, which is m or k. Okay, if it has a y-intercept of 0, then it will always pass the origin. If you have a y-intercept of 0, it is proportional. It goes to the origin. It will be proportional and goes to origin. Forgot what I was gonna say right there. Okay. All right. So here we go. Let's do the first one. It is identifying direct variation from tables. All right. So here we go. So we're gonna do this one way, and then I'm gonna show you another way. Okay. You pick and choose which way you want to do it. All right. So we got k equals my y, which is 9, all right, divided by where my x is 3 equals 3. So my k equals 3, right? That's my slope, is the 3. K equals 9 divided by, oh, sorry, that's not the right one. Sorry about that. And then, shoot, I went back up. Okay. K equals 12 divided by 4 equals 3. My k equals 3, all right? Or I have k equals 15 divided by 5 equals 3k equals 3. Or I have k equals 18 divided by 6 equals 3. And my k equals 3. Bam. Easy money, money in the bank. Shut up what you think. Look, we got a constant, okay? It's going the same 3 every single time. So guess what? I'm going to tell you right now, that's going to be direct variation. That's going to go through the origin. That would not have a y-intercept right now, okay? Now let's try this other one. Okay, but we're going to try the same one. I'm putting calculator, see if we get the same answer, all right? So look, I just want to reset your calculator. Okay, turn your calculator on. Go to second. Okay, when you turn it on, always go to second plus 7, 1, 2, and hit enter, and it's clear. All right, so we're gonna go to stat. All right, we're gonna go to stat. We're gonna type these numbers in stat. We're gonna hit enter. Okay, we're gonna type in our x values, which are L1 right here. Okay, so we got 3 down, 4 down, 5 down, 6 down. All right, so we got all our L1s and our x's. Okay, we're gonna go over to the other side. All right, and we're gonna type in 9. We're gonna type them all in. Okay, 15. All right, and 18. All right, now we make sure we got them all in there. Okay, all right, got them on. Then I'm gonna hit stat again, and I'm gonna go over to calc, and I'm gonna go down to 4, and I'm gonna hit enter, and I'm gonna hit enter all the way till I get to calculate, and then when I get to calculate, I'm gonna hit enter again. Boom. A equals 3. Our A is our K. It's just a different letter calculator. It's our M. It's our slope. It's our unit rate. It's our rate of change. Okay. That's what we got. Our A is 3. Okay. And notice the B says 0. When the B is 0, it is proportional. That means it's going through the origin. That means it's going to be direct variation. All right. Not bad. Okay. Go to the next table. All right. We're gonna do the next one all the way in the calculator. If you want to do it the way I did it on table A with the K equals Y by X, you're more than welcome. Okay, but the calculator makes life a whole lot easier. All right. So I'm gonna go back to edit. Now you can write over every number in here. I'm gonna go back to my L1 and I'm gonna type my X values in. 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Then I'm gonna go back up to the top and I'm gonna go over to L2, which is my Y values. Type in 12. All right, 20, 20, 25, all right, and 36. All right. And I'm gonna type and I'm hit stat, go over to calculator. This time hit the number 4, same thing. Go all the way down to calculate and hit enter. Bam. Look at that. My K on my M, which right here says A, okay, is 7.7. But we notice one thing different right here. My B equals negative 11.4. It's not 0. This is not proportional. This does not go through the origin. Okay. This is not direct variation because it says it has something for B. B is not 0. Okay. So over here it says which table is an example of direct variation. We figured out A because it went through the origin because my B was 0. Okay. In the table, the constant K is 3. So the equation can be written as y equals 3x. Okay. Good job, ladies and gentlemen. Let's try another one. All right, we're gonna try another. Let's try table 8. We're gonna use our calculator for this. Okay. I like to use a calculator. You should get to practice. Like I said, if you want to do K equals Y of X, you're more than welcome. All right. Go back to stat, edit. All right. I'm gonna go back to my L1 where my X's go. 1. Remember your X is going L1, 2, 4, and 6. All right. I'm gonna go back up. All right. Type in my Y values going L2, 2, 4, 12, and 24. All right. So look, here we go. All right. I'm gonna go back to stat, go over the calc, hit number 4, see what it's gonna give me. Oh, look, I got 2 numbers for here. So guess what? This table A is not gonna be direct variation. It's not gonna be proportional because I have something for my letter B right here. All right. Let's try table B. Okay. Go back to stat, enter, go over here. Remember, these are negative numbers, so you're gonna type in negative 1. All right. Negative 2, 3, negative 4. All right, go back up, go back to L2, which is where your Y values go. 5, 10, 15, and 20. 20. 20. All right, go back to stat. All right, go back to calc. Okay, go to 4, hit enter. All the way till you get to calculate. Bam. Look, my A, which is my K or my M, okay, in my equation, all right, is negative 5. Notice B is 0. This will be direct variation. Okay, so table B, all right, and my K was negative 5, and my equation is Y equals negative 5x. Good job. All right, let's go to this next one. Good job, not bad. Okay, so the graph must go through the origin. All right. Okay. Okay. Identify each graph. All right. And if it is a direct variation or not. Explain why or why not. Look. First off, this is your origin right here. Boom. If it doesn't go through there, it's non-proportional. Okay. It's not direct variation. Okay. So that's why letter A is non-proportional, not direct variation. It does not go through my origin. Okay. Same thing right here. Boom. Oops, look at that. That goes through the origin. It is direct variation. It is a straight line. Okay? So it is direct variation and it is proportional. Let's see. Look at this. This when you see a straight line like this, okay? This means the slope is 0. Okay? This is not direct variation. This is not proportional. Okay? Alright. I mean it's yes, 0. Okay, so look, right here. Bam. Letter D. Okay. This is direct variation. This is proportional. It is going to the origin. Also, let's name these slopes. Remember, this is positive, negative over here. So we know if it's negative or positive slope as well. It's always good to know. All right. Remember, if it goes over here, the rocket ship goes over there, it's negative. The rocket ship goes to its positive. Okay. Negative, positive. All right. Negative, positive. I always want to label that thing. Negative, positive. All right. So this is a positive slope. Cause look, shooting over there. Negative slope. All right. Uh, it's 0. Okay. And a positive slope. All right. Let's go to the next one. Now the slope can be negative, positive, or negative. We talked about that. All right. Now we know this slope is positive over here. Okay, it is proportional. It is going through the origin. This slope is negative. It is proportional. It is going through, and it is direct variation, both of them. All right, here we go. Now, identifying direct variation from equations. Look, for over here it says, remember, rewrite the equation in the form of y equals. Okay, this is not in the form of y equals right here. It has 5x plus 2y equals 0. But look, I'm going to tell you a secret right now. You see the 0? 0 tells me it's going to be direct variation. I'm just going to rewrite it, okay? So when I rewrite it, I got to get this 5x to the other side, okay? I'm going to rewrite it. It's going to be 2y equals negative 5x. Notice I just changed the sign because it was positive 5x. I changed the negative and moved it. And then I'm going to divide by 2 both sides. All right. Divide by 2. And my new equation is y equals negative 5 over 2x, which is in the form of y equals, which is in the form of y equals kx, which is direct variation. All right. Let's try the next one. Okay. So here we go. Same thing. Move that over there. Because look, but see this 9 right here? This 9 tells me this is not going to be direct variation. Okay. So look, I got it. 2y equals negative 5x plus 9. All right, I'm going to divide by 5. I'm going to divide by 2. I'm sorry, everything by 2. All right, everything by 2. My new equation is going to be y equals negative 5 over 2x plus 9 over 2. This is in the form of y equals kx, okay? In the form of y equals mx plus b. It is not direct variation because it is 9 over 2. All right? Oh, that was great. Not bad. I want you to finish the rest by yourself, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you the best of luck. You can do this. You got this. Go for it. Peace.